like it. It's a perfect height. It's not too high. There.
Gives the bride away. Where'd she go? I would like to thank you all for coming to share this important moment in the lives of Lori and Heath. I ask you to join together in celebration, acknowledgement, and honoring this day and the vows that they will be making. By your presence, you witness and affirm the truth of their love and commitment to each other. Please face each other. Rings. Heath, please now make your vows.
I promise to continue loving you through thick and thin, troubles and triumph, and you're going to be my best friend to the end. I love you.
Lori, please now make your vows.
Thank you for coming into my life and showing me what real living is supposed to be like, and trusting me with your children every single day. We are best friends, and we're going to be best friends forever. I love you.
Go ahead and hold hands. Now that you've exchanged vows and rings with each other in front of your family and friends, I now pronounce you man and wife. You may now kiss the bride. Party time. If you guys want to follow us to Ducey's and have dinner at Ducey's, so.
Yay!
That when the camera's been.
You want to snowball fight with the case?
Holly told me that, and then she smashed in my face.
Oh, that is definitely real ribbon.
Well, that's dude.
Should we take this off? This is not.
Yeah.
We would do looks edible to me, but now I figured it out.
Well, the knife cut it though.
You can still try to eat it.
It just tore it in the stick.
Alright, get ready to sing happy birthday, right?
It looks like.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Ta 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 ta.
Or we can also just scream congrats.
Big Fat Lady on channel 80.
Make sure you get a lot of frosty heat.
I'm going to stand away so I don't have anything to do with this.
We can all just scream
You're
congratulations.
so long married to the show. We just stole one over.
That icing is delicious. I'll tell you that.
We're going to improvise.
Who goes first?
Vote over there.
He goes first.
He always goes first.
No.
Huh?
Fingers.
Fingers.
Like a little teeth.
You might lose a tooth or something with a fork.
And then you guys have to cross your arms.
You gotta cross your arms. No, serious.
Feed each other.
Feed each other at the same time. Oh. That a boy. That a boy. You'll regret it the rest of your life. You didn't get it
Yeah,
done.
I don't know why you did that. That was a terrible idea.
Surely you're cut off now.
You guys are the ones that said I had to do it. You said I had to.